Okay. All right, so we're going to look at area of parallelogram. Should I give you a quiz again next week? I mean, why not? I mean, why do God exist? Tell me why. Why did Jesus have to come if he was all that powerful? So are you saying God is not that all powerful? Well, I don't need to. I could just snap it, it will happen. Yeah, so you're saying God gets bored. Ah, I like that logic. So God has something that we have. Therefore, is that a God or not? Huh? Yeah. So therefore, are we really? Because we call them like super powerful and everything. So why does God need us? Like, think about it. If we're around ants, do we like we will step on ants like nothing? Do you feel pain about it stepping on ants? Yeah, some do. So some gods are nice, some gods are not nice. So we eat animals, right? Yeah. Oh, interesting. Like, for example, we eat like any type of thing, but the moment I say, "Oh, let's go eat some dog," all of a sudden you guys will get confused, right? So let's look at area of parallelogram. You guys got to take more higher level of philosophy class. Um, what? I don't know. Did I? You did? Is it live now? Ugh. All right, Jesus is not awesome. Is it better now?
Are your other videos still up?
I don't know. It's okay. I'm tenured. I had to look it up to make sure that if someone gets person insulted my belief during my class, I'm safe. Because that's what university happened is they wanted to create an environment where people go in and talk about all these crazy ideas and not be heard by the society, like interracial marriage. Nowadays, almost everyone does that. 100 years ago, they're like, "What are you talking about?" Or giving women right to vote. That was against the God's law, giving women's right to vote. Look at what we're doing. So no, they claimed it's not. I'm saying it. That's what they claimed that it was against the God's law. Or owning slaves. Have you seen that? Owning slaves. How Bible gave them right to own slaves. So we're gonna look at. Do you remember the formula for finding an area of a parallelogram? Do you guys remember that? What's the area of a parallelogram? Yeah, base times height, right? So in this case, what we're going to do is we're not going to do base times height. We're going to convert that into vectors, and from the vectors, we'll be able to find the area of it, such that they form and I'm going to explain to you what's happening over here. Sine of theta, you have the u, v, there's the angle theta. They form adjacent sides of a parallelogram. Then the area of the parallelogram is given by the cross product and we'll look at the magnitude of that. So that's the formula for that. So let's look at it. We're going to get into it, and then we're going to talk about triangles. And how do we connect triangles with parallelogram? Does anybody know? Yes, William. Yeah. Area of the parallelogram. Then the area. Okay. So I was saying, like triangle in when you're looking at a parallelogram, triangle looks like what? Does anybody? It's half of it, right? Let me use it this color. It's kind of half of that, right? So find the area of a triangle. Here are the points. We're going to go on the third dimension. You know how to make vectors given 2 points? Do you guys remember that? PQ, PR, and the other one. Oh no, we could just use PQ, PR. Do you know it's kind of like this? Here's P, here's P. Oh, sorry. PQ, R, right in the third dimension. So essentially, what does this look like? If I find the two vectors, which gives me the area of a parallelogram, and then I just divide it in half. Okay. So what's the vector from P to Q? What is it, guys? Q minus P, right? Right, guys? And then PR is what? What is it? R is what? Oh, yeah. 0, 1, -1. Right, guys? Oh, wait. I made a mistake. Oh, this P and R. It's going to be -1, 0, 1. Okay. So now all we have to do is PQ cross product PR. And whatever that answer is, we just divided it in half. Okay? Do the cross product. Let's go. JK. -1, 0, -1, 0, 1. Who's done? You guys done? Yeah? What is it? What is that? William? What? -1, -1? No, it oscillates. So it becomes what? IJK, right?
I got 1, -1, -1.
You got 1, -1, -1? Really? Let me see. So this gives me 1 I. The next one is going to be negative. That gives me, yeah, negative 1, which is going to be 1. Yeah. So, yeah, I had it right. So, it's going to be 1, 1, 1. And the last one is going to be positive again. I'll follow that. 0 minus that, which is 1. Yeah. Yeah, 1. So this becomes just 1, 1, 1. All right. So now, are we there yet? We're almost there. So the formula for the area of a parallelogram is what? You have to do the magnitude of that, right, kids? Where'd you go for pizza? Are they any good?
I don't know.
Ew, dip dish pizza? Ew, it's like you ate pizza and you didn't like it and you barfed it onto that dip dish and you put cheese on it, they serve you that. Which is right.
But you don't know if you ordered a pizza that was in the shape of pie.
Wasn't that pizza is a pie?
In the shape of pie, the symbol pie.
Oh, the actual Greek letter pi? Oh, that would have been cool. Okay. All right. Then you got pretzel.
I don't think that's what
But it would become like a pretzel. It has all these things growing. All right. So now I got the area of a parallelogram. So what's the area of the triangle, guys? Was that easy or was that easy? Half of you will get this question wrong on the exam. I don't know why, but you guys will. Yes?
Can you go over how we got
Oh, it's area of a triangle is half of the parallelogram.
Oh,
That's it.
yeah, okay.
Just divide it in half. Yeah. Not that complicated. All right. Now we're going to find an orthogonal vector. Did it have a lot of meat in it or vegetarian? And then what?
I'm just not a meat person.
Oh. Are you a Vulcan? Vulcans don't eat meat. Who? Vulcans don't eat meat. Yeah. No, obviously, where else would the Vulcans be? I don't think they have real Vulcans in life, so. Huh? Rip off? What? Like you have masks, so I can't you're sound mumbles. Okay. No, go ahead, say it. Are you too shy now? Cheesy. What is that? Oh, someone copies it. Okay. I don't know. I've never seen anybody doing that.
You don't even watch them. You can't even sit down to watch them.
That is true. I've watched, now, what was the last movie I tried watching it? Repo Man. But I finished in 30 minutes, so. Depends. What? Yeah, I watched Avatar 3-4 times. I'll watch that. The Office, yeah. The series, yeah, The Last Airbender, not Legend of Korra. Legend of Korra is a crap. They really need to redo it. That woman is so annoying. Why? I mean, our girl. She proved the point that the world don't need Avatar. The greatest achievement of Korra is she proved the world that she made the world worse by being the Avatar. So world is better off of her. So. Only a single plane can pass through any set of 3 nonlinear points. Oh, what? non-collinear. So now we need to find can you guys see green? Is this screen dark or no? Is it not? Is it harder for you guys to see today? Better? Better? Oh, I love Monday when it was windy. One day, no, or was it yesterday windy? Yeah, the wind is so awesome, man. I wish I had long hair. Find a vector orthogonal to the plane containing points. Here's P 9 -3 -2 Q, which is 1 3 0, and the last point is -2 5 0. So the plane must contain vectors PQ and QR. So in this case, what's PQ will look like? Okay, let's see if, and then the other one is QR. Find the vector for that, guys. Did you guys find the vectors? Rin, what is it? -3, 2, 0. So if I do the cross product of PQ and QR, something interesting is happening. Look at that. Here's PQ and here is QR. And they are going to be orthogonal. That's the 90 degrees happening. So IJK is -8, 6, 2, -3, 2, 0. And when you do the cross product of that, what's the vector, guys? You guys are getting? I'll wait a bit. Let's go chop chop. Axel, I'm gonna pick on you. Or Princess. Who wants to do? Give me the answer. Gia? You have the answer? Name tag buddy over there. All the way back there. You need your name tag too. I can't see your name. Oh, put it right there. Thank you. Done? What is it? Walter. What's the vector? What is it? Was that cross product in the homework? Did you guys not do the cross product yet? Was there any due date on it? Okay, then there will be due date tonight. Yes, Julio. Yeah, tell me, what's the vector? Okay. Plus? No, it oscillates. Is it plus 6? It's negative 6 and what? Oh. Oh, positive 6 and the last one is what? 2. Did I write it incorrectly then? Let's look at it. 0, negative, negative. Oh, yeah, you're right. You're right. Okay, good. So that's the orthogonal vector. Okay? All right.